In this video, we'll go over my neighbor Alice. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year? With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Before we begin, we are having a 900 XLM coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, Alice to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on August the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom, or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is Alice? My Neighbor Alice is a farming-themed play-to-earn builder game built on Chromia. The game bills itself as a place where players can buy and own virtual islands, collect and build exciting items while also making new friends. Each player has their own avatar representing them in the game, which they can modify as they please. Players can buy virtual real estate from Alice, the game's eponymous central figure, or the internal marketplace. All purchased land is represented as an NFT. My Neighbor Alice aims to introduce blockchain to millions of players and targets a diverse gaming community within the traditional gaming market. Although the game is blockchain-based and integrates DeFi features, it does not require prior knowledge of cryptocurrency and blockchain. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. My Neighbor Alice aims to set itself apart in two ways. First, its unique style that incorporates the character of Alice as a relatable in-game friend makes the game more personable to casual players that are not familiar with classic blockchain gaming features. In addition, the game does not force players to interact with the underlying blockchain technology, although it allows those who are curious to explore classic DeFi functionality. Players can buy virtual land in the form of NFT tokens on these islands and decorate it with in-game items like houses, lakes, decorations, animals, plants, and others. Players are represented by their avatars, which can also be customized with in-game items. All of those are tradable through the marketplace or marketplaces on other blockchains. Moreover, players can boost their reputation by completing quests and activities in the game. Shared quests enable players to work on a common goal and participate in community-created events that can be discussed on the GME#S decentralized forum. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting $8 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.